I want live war in real. Okay? Because cyber war is nothing. It will just pass by. I don't care. There is a technology. This is just a technology. I will bring this matter to court. Of course, to lessen people nga katong naghimo og mga memes sa akong mouth. Ignon man kunyo you hate me, pero mind you, tinuod na ay law. Naagi law. Manubagid mo. Walang atrasan. Walang atrasan. Laban lang jud. Okay. Anyway, nasugdan naman, sir. The damage has been done. Nasugdan, di atol na i-continue. Alangan, nag-start ka niya, walay ending. Ang book is cannot be book if there's no ending story. Again, I have strongly advised you all, netizens, social media users, Facebook users, tanan kamo nga naasa ka ng social media nga very active ug addict sa social media ug kana bitong gitawag nila nga naungo sa social media kay walay lingaw. I strongly advise jud ninyo nga please be responsible of using your social media. Please, because there is a law and it exists. Naay prosecution, ana. Naay prosecution. Mao na palihog in town kamo mga netizens. Palihog sultihan gyud tamos tinuod kay naa na kun to cybercrime. Mo exist gyud. Ayaw mo pagpataka. Una-unaon ninyo, be responsible lang. Dili ni tiyaw-tiyaw. Naa gyud cybercrime. Naa. Ni exist gyud na. Naay law. Ma-prosecute gyud. Mo gini akong giingon ninyo, ma-prosecute gyud katong mga cyberbully mga inana.